Hey, we're gonna open the TacPack for the month of July here in just a second. Just wanted to hop on here and say thank you for watching, thank you for hanging out, and thank you for subscribing. All right, let's get into the TacPack. Medium-sized box this month. That's kind of interesting. I forgot what our clues were at this point, but we have a list of what's included in this box. Okay, we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items in this month. As I recall, the clues were a little bit interesting, so let's get in here and see what we've got. On the top of the list, Timber Creek Rugged Barrier Stop. There it is, the Timber Creek Rugged Barrier Stop. What color is it? Oh, this one's FDE. Okay, so that might work a little bit better. We got a barrier stop a couple of months ago, and I think it was green. I have not incorporated that into a build yet. Timber Creek is a channel sponsor of ours, and they make really good stuff. We have their Enforcer chassis, which is really cool. That's on an 8.6 blackout build. And if you're watching this video for the TacPack, what we do on our channel is builds, much like these two AR-15s right here, some other goodies up here on the shelf. There's a bolt build going on. I just did an unboxing on a Q-Fix. It's chambered in 8.6 blackout. Really cool stuff. While we are completely sidetracked, this is a 7.62 by 39, standard AK round. You guys have seen this before. There it is next to a 5.56 30 caliber bullet, 5mm 22 caliber bullet right there. You've seen those are all very standard. Now what we've been playing with is the 8.6 blackout. Big beefy bullet. This one's a 300 grainer, but they go to 350, and you can see it compared to a 5.56. This does go in an AR-10 because the chambering is quite a bit longer, almost 3 inches there. So those are some normal size things that you've seen before next to an 8.6 blackout. But the reason I'm showing this to you is the build that is coming. This is a 338 Spectre. There it is next to a 5.56. So you can see that this guy is an AR-15 chamber. So it is a 338 caliber bullet. So big bullet, just like the one that's in the 8.6 blackout, but it's in that little 10mm Magnum case. So that's called 338 Spectre, and I have a very beautiful build coming for that in the month of August. So make sure you're subscribed to check that out if you like the gun builds. The list is some gun butter. Looks like it's got a little needle point there. This is a lube that comes in a real small bottle with a long needle. You can get it exactly where you want it. A lot of times we over lubricate, so that's kind of cool. I'm a big fan of these vintage oilers. I have a couple of them that I just kind of pour my ballistol in there, and then I use that when I'm lubing up. But having this in a range bag would be pretty fantastic. It even has a little clip on there so you can put it in your shirt pocket. And we have a knife. This is the Kershaw Reverb XL, strong, lightweight, no flex in this blade. Let's see what it looks like. Again, this is the Reverb XL. Decent length, but it's real thin and small. Got a carabiner there. That's kind of cool. Maybe clip that on a backpack or something. We got a carbon fiber looking inlay there. I don't know much about the scale. What do we know about the scales? The XL has a longer upswept blade with plenty of belly, efficient for slicing. Everyday carry, not bulky in your pocket. I like that. Let's see what the... Oh, it does have a swept look to it. That's kind of cool. Growing up, I had lots of knives, but my very first knife that was like purchased for me, I was probably 7 or 8 years old, and it was a Kershaw. It was from the tractor store, not Tractor Supply, just a generic small town tractor store. So I do like Kershaw. They were my first blade. I've really been liking the American Buffalo as well, but Kershaw, great blade. I don't know how much those are, and it doesn't say on here. I'd be surprised if it's less than 60 or 80 bucks. So nice item there, TacPack. All right, let's keep going. Here is our sticker of the month. We've got a T-Rex with an AR. We have a T-Rex with some rockets, probably for the 4th of July. Looks like he might have the Lucky Mag right there that was in the pack a couple of months ago. And an AR-15 with a grenade launcher. So yeah, AR-15 with a grenade launcher. All right, I do like the stickers. Ooh, dual plus items this month. They hit us with the dual plus items, coming in at $110. This is the Gerber Dual Force Leatherman kind of looking setup here. So it folds up and fits into the sheath right there on the back, making it pretty compact. But this is the XL. It's very big, two position. You know, that's the thing about these jaws. Sometimes the Leatherman, the pliers on the jaws, they're so small you can't do much with them. This one you could do some stuff with. So what is the second item? Cloud Administration Flashlight. This is a $50 light from Cloud Defense. Really high quality light, 350 lumens, and it runs on a rechargeable battery. Packaging on that's kind of cool. It looks like it's got that battery up there on the top and comes with a charger cord. Ooh, really small little light there. It's called an admin light. That is pretty great. Cloud Defense admin light. Little light like that will definitely come in handy. Let's put that back in the package here. So as I mentioned earlier, lots of really cool things going on the channel. We're celebrating turning over 50,000 subscribers. It'll happen any day, if not by the time this video is posted. And just lots of really cool stuff on my workbench. I got a whole box of these, six or seven of them. This is the Kung Fu grip. And the reason I'm showing this to you is because it did come in the TacPack. Both of these builds back here behind us feature a Kung Fu grip from Die Free Company. Really a big fan of theirs, and they're coming out with a new product, which we should get our hands on here pretty soon. I have never run a Geisley, so I might put this on and try it, or it's possible that this could end up in the giveaway. Which, by the way, there are no clues here for the giveaway today, but there are some other clues that you may or may not have missed in this video. So I'm giving away a $2,000 plus. I haven't added it up yet. It's going to be, I'm guaranteeing it to be a minimum of 2,000. Could be pushing 2,500 when we're all said and done. But lots of little things that are going to be in this, and then a couple of big things. There's an 8.6 blackout complete upper bolt carrier group, the whole deal. There's one of those in there. There's going to be some things like some Kung Fu grips and some Geisley triggers, some stuff like that. Really cool things that have come in here to the channel for us to check out, and I'm going to share that back to you. But you must crack the code to solve the phrase in order to win the prize. So if you think you know the phrase, email it to me, eaglerun23@protonmail.com, and there'll be a video later that goes over what's in the prize and maybe with some more clues and hints. The main thing you need to do if you want some clues and hints is hit up the email list. Over at eaglerun23.com, you can join the email list. Those of you on the email list will get some more clues, and I even have a little card on you that's got the letters that you can start filling out. That will be attached in an email. All right, lots of cool things coming up here. Can't wait to show it to you. We'll see you next time.